Lawyers, how do you use online video to get cases, and what should you expect in way of return? Hi, I'm Mary Carey at Go Media Marketing and Productions, legal marketing specialist in California. Getting cases with online video is entirely different than TV advertising. Your message will be different, the length of time of the videos are different, your return even happens a little bit slower. But because online video happens slower, this does not mean it isn't working. Remember to track your data really carefully, but online video viewers are always kind of tire kickers depending on your practice area. They're snooping around and they want some information. Here are my tips. Make sure that your message imparts how important it is that they get someone on the case as early as possible, because there's often a statute of limitations. Tip number 2, make the video a little bit longer and less like advertising. They just need help. And tip number 3, expect this to be a long-term plan. These videos can work for years if you create a system for getting those videos in front of people. We build law practices like yours, and we have for over 1 million years. Well, it feels that long. Sign up now for a webinar or an in-house training where we have the time to do a deep dive and go step by step on these subjects. Or if you want us to get your marketing together and do it for you, we can do that too. Oh, I almost forgot. Please like our page, thumbs up, subscribe, get notified, friend us, click, chat, fill out the form, leave a comment, get on our email list. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm trying to say. If you think our content is helpful, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.